This is a 71-piece ratcheting screwdriver set. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $36. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinions remain without. Alright, so this little casp came off in the box in shipping. It looks like it can just snap right back on. So that will hold this shut. You snap it up and it opens up, and this is your screwdriver set. So they have this little protection piece that holds these guys in place. There is a magnet in here. Now it looks like you could take that out, and unless you're shaking this around a lot, those pieces stay stuck in the magnetic holders. So we have this little screwdriver bit here. It has a rotating bit, so you can put your finger on the top and rotate like that. And you can put in all of these tiny little bits here. And there are a lot of little bits here. So we have security bits, you have your standard Phillips and cross and straight edge bits, a lot of kind of star and hex and various of like the double pointed security bits. So there's a very good selection of bits here. Even here it looks like you have something that's more of like a pusher for pushing little buttons inside of holes. Now up here we have the larger bits that have various hexes, your flatheads, your Phillips, and Torx. Some of these are kind of the security Torx with the hole in the center, and the ratcheting handle here. So that guy there will ratchet in one direction, you flip it and it ratchets in the other direction. So these are things where you might need a little more force. So this guy here has a magnet that holds things in. So the small screwdriver also has a magnet that holds these tips in. So once you put the tips in, they're not coming out. Now there is one little empty square that's the U, and the instruction sheet here says that's the handle magnetizer. But I don't really think you need a separate handle magnetizer, because I've found that the screwdriver with the magnet in there magnetizes the tip just fine for the small one. And then this guy here has a magnet in there, and so those magnetize these tips just fine for the larger ones. So I don't think you need that little U handle magnetizer as a separate piece. So there are 36 of these smaller precision H4 bits, and then there's 32 of the larger, they're the 6.3 millimeter or 1/4 inch bits. Now this little ratcheting head, these handles are removable, so you could, for example, make this arm longer to make it easier to wrench down or something. You could even take those two arms out and put them in here, so if you need an extension, you wouldn't have as much leverage at the end here, but you'd be able to get the bit deeper in. So there's a little bit of flexibility there. Now the one bit of flexibility I don't see is they don't have an adapter that goes from the 1/4 inch bits down to the kind of metric 4 bits. And that's probably good, because you probably really shouldn't be putting more torque on those guys than you can do with kind of a standard screwdriver handle. And of course this guy here can fit a bit directly if you need to get it in a really tight spot. Alright, so the case is plastic. It has, pins for the hinges here. A little plastic thing that snaps in and holds it closed. Shaking it back and forth a little bit. None of these guys have moved around, so this little insert you may not need, except possibly for shipping purposes. So if you turn this part of the case over, there's enough friction here to hold all these bits in, although the screwdriver and the ratcheting handle do come out. Now the 1/4 inch bits are going to cover all your needs for pretty much all the standard stuff. There are a few security bits that may not be represented in here, but at 32 pieces it's a pretty good selection of anything you need for most things. I really like that each bit has its own little markings on it to tell you exactly what should go in which hole. So if you're looking for something by name and size, you can pull it out and know exactly which one you're getting. And that's included for these smaller bits. The H4 bits also have all that listed there as well. So for example, the Phillips go from 2 down to quadruple 0. So yeah, I really like this guy, especially all the small precision screwdrivers here.